Hello. Yeah. All right. Nice move up. So the Litecoin pump, apparently Walmart, right? Is that what I'm seeing? Is Walmart are now accepting Litecoin as payments? So that's nice because we've been bullish on Litecoin for ages. Obviously, that's leading the Bitcoin move as well, but this is pretty much Litecoin, I think, at the moment that are leading everything. Let me just go onto here so I can start to have a look at the chat. So yeah, really nice short squeeze. What were we saying this morning? Who's that guy like, oh, it's got a 40k. Oh, don't long here. Don't long here. I'm in my villa. Don't long. It's going to 40k, 100x there. Nope. Nope, it's not. It was a bear trap, or at least that's what we're saying so far. And but it's not like, I think we've got to be aware that this can retrace the whole move as well. But so far, long, very good. We reclaimed VWAP. That was a pretty good reclaim VWAP, change market structure, come back into support, and just get a really nice move off of this. Litecoin as well, just amazing. Yeah, really, really good stuff. All right, we won't. Look, TA's TA. People have their own opinions. What I didn't like earlier was that he was making out that everyone else was an idiot. But who's laughing now? So yeah, we've got. So what we do need to be aware of, and this is what I was saying. So when we were live earlier on, we were talking about S&P opening, it would gap up and we were likely to see a move down on open. That has happened, and it has, you'd say that's enough of a gap fill. Like, it's not really a gap that's there, it's just yeah. Let's go on to the hourly chart. You can see how that's come back in, tested the top of the candle that did close it out over the weekend. So it's had a partial fill on that. Again, this is coming down to support areas on here at the moment. So we'll have a look at, yeah, you got your golden pocket down here. So yeah, US stocks, the S&P ES had its move down on open. And yeah, we're back above daily open on Bitcoin here. Now, we do have to be a little bit careful, okay? This was just a news-driven event. The volume's not great at the moment, but but yeah, we'll see how this can get some, if it can get any continuation. So at the moment, yeah, you'd have to say this is all looking very bullish. I do think we see another push. It's being supported. So yeah, we'll monitor this. We'll see how it goes. I'm not going to do this as a long stream, but it's just one of those that, after what we were talking about this morning, and well, it wasn't even this morning, was it? It was only like a couple of hours ago. We were expecting the short squeeze to come. We just didn't know whether it would happen after taking these lows or just coming straight out of it. But it ended up, yeah, CVD divergence played out. It got some strength. It reclaimed VWAP. It changed market structure. Everything looked good. So this is just a typical trade, okay? This is just standard stuff. You come in here, you have your little trident set up here, so you change market structure, you come back in to test support, and bang, off we go. So really nice, nice move, nice move. So yeah, what is the Litecoin news? Is it that Walmart are accepting it, or is there some kind of partnership? What is the... Let's just bring the news up here. Oh, so it's Litecoin themselves that have announced it. I saw a red dot at 4.2k. Yeah, so Walmart are going to accept payments in Litecoin. That's pretty cool. I've been accumulating Litecoin for quite a long time, so nice. Nice. That's why I did this. It was quite funny. I was just having my lunch when this all happened, and basically I had I had this alert here for liquidity, and I also had an alert on this daily level down here, right? But I was having my lunch, and because I was I was half expecting a shakeout and like a nice little dump on things before a move up, I got my alert and I was like, oh, we've come into this like daily level, it's time to take a long position. And then I opened the chart, I was like, wow, okay, no, it's just absolutely shot up out of nowhere. So yeah, very nice, very nice. Starting on October the 1st, Walmart are going to accept payments in Litecoin. Wow. All right. So yeah, let's see how if this gets any continuation. Let's have a look actually, because you would imagine. Yeah, now all of a sudden people are interested in this. Open interest going crazy. Okay. Binance futures. Oh, you know what? I'm just going to open this on here. Hold on, because this is so laggy on thingy. Blah, 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 blah. What am I doing? Just look at that for a second. And then we're going to have a look at Binance futures on this. Bear with me. That going to work? No, it's not going to work. Oh, never mind. Yeah, so we'll just see how this goes. Pull back on the DXY as well. Yep, so we were checking that earlier. We do have, so this is what I drew like on my stream the other day. But it has just taken the high, so I guess you can call this, let's just hide this. Yeah, we're ultimately looking for DXY to fall a lot lower. But yeah, having taken the highs here, I think, yeah, if this can get a pullback back down towards this area, then we're seeing a really nice move down. Okay. Funding rate's still looking decent. What do you make of the large bullish divergences on Litecoin right now? Look, you're going to get a lot of profit taking here. It's yeah, don't read into it. This is going to take time just to settle down. There's going to be a lot of profit taking, which means there'll be a lot of market selling going on. I still think, again, because this is a news driven event, we have to be careful about it because there is still liquidity that this can grab lower, and it is, yeah, it's kind of falling quite fast, and this can easily. We've had a back test of this monthly level, so this is good on Litecoin. This would be an area I would actually look to compound. So, um, where is my LTC position? Let's just. Oh, Bitcoin. Look at it go. Whoa, down we go. And there. There we go. What were we saying, eh? Now we're going to go for this. Here we go. Now we've taken the lows. Nice volatility. That's it. So there's a scalp long. I've just got on into a scalp long. I'm going to need to trade this because, yeah. Hold on. This was always likely to happen. You have something that's a news event like this. This is always going to happen. So now we'll see if this is going to be real or not. Okay. Nice selling right down at the low there. That was our support. So this should get a bounce. That's now given us an opportunity to get into a position. Is it fake? I don't know anything about the news really. If it's fake, that's it's this would be amazing. Wait, I need to see. Litecoin deleted the tweet. Hey, we'll find out if it's real or not soon. So this is now things get technical again. So we'll see how the market reacts. Realistically, we shouldn't be falling below where we were on Litecoin, at least. If this is going to be an actual move, it's normal that we'd see a shakeout after this. It was up 25% in a few minutes. So we'll just have a look at. Thing is, technicals are what is important here. This move's so like huge, I can't even. This is fun. Anyway, where's my. Ah, where's my trade at? There it is. Good. Okay, back up we go. VWAP Fib, set your Litecoin, take profits on that monthly. Good stuff. So we're now we're seeing this bounce. So again, I did get into that scalp long as soon as we took those lows. If we can hold around the level that it is right now, if it can hold above this point of control, get a close. I mean, this half-hour candle's got a lot of time left in it. But yeah, if we can get a close above 46,600 kind of area, I think it's just, yeah, it's done what it needed to do, and we're going to have this move. This will get continuation. But we will have to wait and see. Litecoin would be a weird, yeah, a weird thing for them to choose, wouldn't it? Luke, will we have single prints above? I don't know. There won't be any single prints because this is gone. We've had everything over 2 candles. So there's no single prints or anything here. You've got a massive tailing tail at the highs now. And this has cleaned out this poor low. So yeah, you'd have to say at this stage, this is what we were expecting. We were thinking that we'd get some volatility going into the New York Open today. This has helped things out a lot. It's kind of funny that Litecoin was the one that, with all of us being so bullish on Litecoin, it's Litecoin that was the one that was creating all of the headlines. I'd like to actually see if this is real or not. Let's see. What? So it was fake, was it? Yeah. Who knows? I should probably not stream, and I should probably trade this because this is fun. So far, just a back test. Ollie, what happened? Yeah. So there was some news. Yeah, anyone who's not here, there was some news that Walmart are accepting Litecoin as payments. Then that news is rumored to be fake. Now it's back testing what was resistance as support. So if this can hold, it will probably. I want to actually know what's happening on this. Instead of just a bunch of like crypto Twitter nonsense. Oh, poor Litecoin. It was looking like so much fun. It's going to turn from a Bitcoin pump video into a Bitcoin dump video. Okay. We didn't come into monthly open. Yeah, we got the daily level there, haven't we? This is the area to look for if this does fall apart now. I should probably come off stream and trade this. Crypto is a scam. It's just a market. These are the games we play. What actually? Whoops, Litecoin. Yeah, this surely is just. I'd see anyway. Stay here. I'll stay. Yeah, I'll stick around for a little bit. Um, gonna try and get. Don't know why it's not working. Ah. Not on this again then. Anyway, um, I'd rather just trade this, guys. Yeah, it's too. I can't concentrate properly with everything just on one screen. Trying to show what's going on, so I need to be able to actually trade this. We'll see what S&P is doing. Again, that's having this move down, so that's good. This is roughly what we were looking for. We do have this gap down here on stocks, so we are looking at this. But yeah, I'm going to have to... I can't do everything on on one screen. It's impossible. I want to trade this move, otherwise I'm going to miss out. Oh, man. That's my other long field. Dumping! Let's just quickly take some profit on this. Cool. You know what? We're below the level now, so I may as well stay on. I missed the opportunity to get in on a trade then. So I guess we'll just watch it. So yeah, now just looking for this area here. We'll see what can happen. Oh, we do have the Gartley now. But this has happened way, way, way too quickly. Okay, so we've come into this. But there's no symmetry on this at all. It's not something I would trade anymore based on this, because we've not got the symmetry there. This is more for just... Yeah. We do have it. So we do have this Gartley set up here. What else do we have? If this did get one more move down, it could end up in our one-to-one here. Yeah. Where's Litecoin now? Down at this monthly. Okay. Completely retrace the move. Docs. That's that done. We do have this lower gap that it could get to, but you would expect a bounce here on stocks or on SPX. Now a little rejection off the daily. I bet open interest has just completely disappeared. Net shorts are huge here, but I think this was just a load of just stop losses and loads of selling at market going on. So I wouldn't, again, I don't think I'm reading too much into this on the net short side of things. Whoops, that was the wrong thing to be looking at. 5-minute chart. Yeah, we'll just see how this settles down. Nadish, what is happening to BTC? There was a news-driven event that happened, and more often than not, that will retrace the whole thing, which is what we had. So we came into a technical level. We took out these highs from overnight here. Yeah. We do have this Gartley setup in play, but now that's like done this now, so never mind about that one. Yeah. I said I was going to go and trade this, but yeah. Okay. This is the spring, yeah. It could be. I think this is what we're looking at now, okay? So we had a move up that was unnatural, yeah? So it wasn't really ready to do that. We were still made nice money off of it. It's all good, but that's the thing. You get these moves up that just kind of come out of nowhere. It came through basically all the take profit levels. It's retraced the entire move now and has taken out our recent lows as well. So what we're now looking at is if it can reclaim this, well, basically exactly where it is. Yeah, like if Bitcoin can come back up here into VWAP, hold this area, I do think that we probably get further continuation to the upside on this. So yeah, it looks all right. I'm just looking at the heat map again because I've got that open elsewhere. I think Litecoin also looking fine. Um, from a technical perspective at least. I've got my heat map open on another screen that's not allowing me to show it on here for some reason. I don't know why. If I do that, and then I do this. Just a blank screen. Very strange. You should be seeing the heat map over this. Yeah, Litecoin news turns out that that was fake. Yeah. Tesla, we can have a look at Tesla in a bit. What will your invalidation point be for a long from the bottom here? So basically, oh, I forget that you can't see what I'm seeing. I'll go back onto this again. Like, ultimate entry for me for a long position, I keep saying it again, would be to take out these lows as well. Okay? So I'm just in that. My thoughts are that we are going to see a move up out of this eventually, but whether we come down into this area first and then we reverse, I'm not quite sure. So we'll just have to monitor this. At the moment, this is just a trade. If it can... There's the 30 minutes. So it's had a 30-minute close above these highs, which is okay. Yeah. Yeah, Tony, I've refreshed the thing. Strange. So I'd say right now you've got a decent trade probably up into VWAP at least on this. You could probably take a long here. It got that close above. You'd want invalidation here. It's not the best. I do think if it gets a move up into VWAP, then that would likely be resistance once again now. But if it can come down into like this daily level or something, and you got a trade out of that, maybe. I need to, yeah. Everything is slow. What happened up at these highs as well, I wonder. The spot really went for it as well. What's the title of this video as well? Because I did this as Bitcoin was pumping. And now it should be like Bitcoin dump after pump. Should probably edit this video. And then once once I've edited the title. Okay, back onto here. Then I can see the chat. Mr. Marsh, yes, we are aware the Litecoin news was fake, but also, yes, that was a short squeeze that we did have earlier on. Because of the CBD, like all the divergence that we did have there as well, it was fake news, but the move itself was to be expected after we did get a change of market structure there. So I was literally just trading the charts and then saw that we had this news on here as well. And this is kind of what we're looking at the moment. If this can hold, you've got a half decent trade out of this. I would expect VWAP to act as support, as resistance if we do get a move up into that. Yeah. Why'd we stop at 43,340? Just because we took out these lows and we had the Gartley set up here as well. And we came into this area again. So we were looking at something like this, which is okay as a setup. You'd be looking for a bounce off of this. But again, if we did go down lower, this is where I'd really like to buy. That would be kind of big swing alongs. But here's decent. Here's a decent trade. The S3 pivot was there. Nice. We'll see how Litecoin can recover as well. Like that's it'll be fun if we find out that this news is CNBC have just tweeted. This is why you don't trade the news. It was exciting though. It was fun to watch. So Litecoin now all of a sudden becomes interesting again. Does that hit all the targets? Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, this is the lot I thought got hit. Kondogi, whatever your name is. Sounds like they got hacked. See, it's Litecoin. I doubt they got hacked. I think this was probably yeah, it probably was internal. Um, yeah, anyone that's been in crypto a while knows what Litecoin are like when they come to these kind of things. Yeah, see, I don't, I don't think they're. Well, who knows? Who knows what happened with it? Anyway, everything seems to have settled down a bit now. Uh, that was good fun. So we got this little long position going. We're looking up towards VWAP. It's just pretty, well, what you'd normally expect to trade. Bellas, if not hacked, then someone should go to jail. Look, this is what crypto is about. You have fake news stuff. They can do what they want. It's unregulated. Elon Musk did it. So Orly. Charlie Lee, who's the guy from Litecoin, like the founder of Litecoin, he used to shill it all the time in like 2017, 2018, and then he released some fake news like right at the top that caused it to pump, and then at the top said that he'd sold all of his like Litecoin shares and all of his Litecoin. So yeah. Anyway, yeah, that's kind of these daytime streams. Yeah, I want to go on and trade this, I think now. So yeah, thank you for watching, everyone. Back again. I'm going to do some, once everything settles on this, it would still be nice, wouldn't it, to come down here, um, wherever my green box is. But hey, we can trade the stuff in between. This is what we're looking at the moment. Uh, yeah, we'll see how this settles. But thank you very much for watching, and I will probably not be back later, but I might be. I might be if I can just do some normal TA on things again. But this has just been so yeah, good fun. I will